Morning, everyone. This is Miss T broadcasting to you from room 353. Today is Hot Chocolate Friday, so I thought I'd send you guys out a message. You should be receiving an email from me this afternoon regarding what's going to happen after spring break. But for now, I just wanted to touch bases with you and let you know I'm thinking about you and that I haven't forgotten that it's Hot Chocolate Friday. But of course, we can't really have that because I'm not allowed to do house calls. Anyways, I'm going to go get it now just so we can kind of get into that routine. And I just wanted to say hi and make sure that everybody's doing okay. Feel free to drop me a note at miriam.toison@epsb.ca. All right, and if you could spell my name, you should be able to find me on School Zone and your emails that I've given you lots of. Anyways, I'm rambling, so I'm going to get our hot chocolate. Hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you in a bit. Ta-da! So I'll just leave it here. So this is 1 cup for everybody. Well, not for everybody, but everybody gets a cup as usual. And so I'm just trying to establish our routine. I just want you to know I've been thinking about you. And so have a great spring break, and we will have more information to share with you come the week of March 30th. So take care of each other, take care of one another, and take it easy. All right? Happy Hot Chocolate Friday. Over and out.